So, first of all, very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start new lesson. Okay. So, student, before I start with my lesson, I want to ask. Okay. I want to ask you few questions. Now, what question I want to ask you? You are going to reply me via chat. Okay. आप मुझे chat से बता दोगे. Okay. So, students, suppose you are going out and someone stranger is offering you chocolate. Someone stranger is offering you chocolate. What you will do? Do you take that chocolate or do you go to that stranger to take that chocolate? What you will do? Suppose you find out some very nice thing, whatever you like or you love, somewhere lying down. Will you go there to take that things which is not yours? अगर आपको कोई जगह पे अगर गर्ल्स को कोई अच्छा सा डॉल दिखता है, एकदम न्यू डॉल बारबी डॉल रखा हुआ है, या फिर बॉयज को कोई क्रिकेट का सेट मिलता है, तो आप वो उठाओगे? नो. मेनी ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स आर सेइंग नो. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. ओके. Yes, all are saying no, not to take. Okay, so you are not going to take chocolate from strangers. You are not going to take things which are lying anywhere. Okay, so that lesson we are going to learn today is going to show you how you can be smart. Okay, how you can be smart. In this world, you have to be little bit smart. Yes or no? Okay, because your parents are giving you things for what? They are giving you things. They are giving you chocolates, they are giving you whatever you like because they love you, right? Parents are giving these things to you because they love you. अपने मॉम डैड आपको चॉकलेट्स या कुछ चीजें क्यों देते हैं? बिकॉज वो आपको बहुत सारा प्यार करते हैं, राइट ना? देन व्हाई द स्ट्रेंजर्स आर गिविंग these things to you? Are they really love you? No. They might have some benefits or selfishness, so that they are offering these things to you. Okay, so you have to be careful. You have to be careful. So that lesson we are going to learn today. Okay, in that you will come to know the smartness of that mouse. Okay, so let's begin with the lesson. Okay, so the name of the lesson is what? Clever mouse. What is the name of the lesson? Clever mouse. Now, what is meant by C-L-E-V-E-R? Clever. What is meant by clever? In our class, clever means someone who is scoring good marks. Okay, in our class, clever boy or clever girl means someone who is scoring good marks, always answering teachers' question. We call that girl or boy as a clever. Okay, yes or no? But here the mouse is clever. Is the mouse is going to school? No. Mouse is not going to school, but still that mouse is a clever mouse because he is using his brain before doing anything. Okay, clever means what? Before doing anything, they're thinking what is it right or wrong. Then they are doing that action. Okay, so this mouse is clever because that mouse is thinking before doing anything. Okay, clever mouse. Okay, now next. Here you can see the story. So I hope everyone can see the story. Pay attention while I'm reading. And if you're not able to understand any word, just write down with you in your notebook. I will explain you later. I finish the reading. Okay? Okay. Start. One day, a cat feels hungry. She sees a mouse hole. How do I get the mouse out, said she asked herself. Okay. Now, here the cat feels hungry. You know what is meant by hungry? When you want to eat something. You are very hungry. That means you want to eat something and you are telling your parents, I'm very hungry. I want to eat something. If you're not knowing this word, hungry means what? You're feeling to eat something. You're feeling to eat something. Okay, hungry means what? To eat something. Okay, so cat is very hungry. Who is hungry here? Cat is very hungry. Okay, who is hungry here? Cat is very hungry. She sees a mouse hole. Students, mouse hole means what? Mouse holes means a house of a mouse. A door of a mouse, or you can say the house of the mouse where the mouse is staying. Okay, so the cat is very hungry and what she saw? She saw mouse hole. Okay, now what she is starting to say, what she's starting to say, to talk with herself, she was thinking or she was talking to herself that how do I get the mouse out? इस माउस को मैं इस माउस होल से कैसे बाहर निकालूं? What she is thinking here? How do I get the mouse out? Now, why she is thinking to get the mouse out? Everyone is knowing what the cat is eating. The cat is eating the mouse. Okay, cat eats the mouse. Okay, so she was hungry and she was thinking how she can take the mouse out of its hole. Okay, now in the second line, we'll see what she started doing. Okay, she gets a tasty roti. She gets a tasty roti. She put it in the front of the hole. She hides behind the wall. Now, what the cat did, students? She get a tasty roti. Okay, she gets a tasty roti, and everyone is knowing that roti is having a smell also, a good smell. When your mom is making rotis in the house, a smell is coming out from the kitchen. Like that, she got a tasty roti, and what she did? She put that in front of the hole. She puts that in the front of the hole and she hides behind the wall. What she did? She put that roti in front of the mouse hole. उसने वो रोटी का टुकड़ा जो था वो माउस होल के सामने रख दिया जानबूझ के. क्यों रखा ऐसे? ताकि रोटी के स्मेल से अंदर वाला जो माउस है वो होल से बाहर आ जाए. Okay, and what the cat did then? She hides behind the wall. वो जाके दीवार के पीछे छिप गई. Okay, अगर चूहे ने देखा, माउस ने देखा कि वहां पे कैट है, तो वो होल से बाहर आएगा? नहीं आएगा. So what the cat did? She hides. She hides. She hides. She hides behind the wall. Okay. The mouse looks out the hole. Yes, obviously that mouse gets that smell. Mouse को जो रोटी का smell है वो तो आ गया. Then what the mouse did? Mouse looks out of the hole. Mouse ने सबसे पहले तो देखा कि रोटी तो है, but यहाँ पे कोई दिख रहा है क्या? किसने रोटी रखा है यहाँ पे? रोटी तो चल के नहीं आएगा. What the mouse think? Students, that रोटी तो चल के नहीं आएगा. तो आपने तो सीखा है ना नॉन लिविंग थिंग लिविंग थिंग. तो रोटी तो नॉन लिविंग थिंग है. कोई उठाएगा तो वो आएगी ना. तो चल के तो नहीं आ सकती है. Yes? Okay. So mouse looks out of the hole. He calls out, "Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you?" What he called? "Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you?" The cat says, "Yes, you can eat me." Okay, so the cat was hiding. Cat was hiding near the wall, no? And the mouse asked the roti, "Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you?" So the cat says, yes, you can eat me. Okay. माउस ने क्या क्या यहाँ पे रोटी से क्वेश्चन पूछा, कैन आई ईट यू? अभी रोटी तो बात नहीं कर सकती ना, रोटी बात करेगी? आप अगर प्लेट में रोटी लगे रोटी से बात करोगे? नहीं, रोटी तो नहीं बात कर सकती ना. सो हियर द माउस talk with the roti. Oh, tasty roti, can I eat you? And who replied? Cat replied. What she replied? Yes, you can eat me. Now what the mouse said here? Rotis do not talk. You must be a cat. Go away. Who said this? The mouse said. Okay, he caught the cat. Okay, the mouse caught the cat who was making a trap for a mouse. Okay, she was making a trap for mouse. अगर mouse रोटी लेने के लिए होल से बाहर आ जाता तो क्या कर लेती थी? उसको खा जाती थी, है कि नहीं? But mouse was the smart mouse. In the lesson name itself, it is written the clever mouse. The mouse was the clever mouse. So what he did? What he did? He asked Roti, and who replied there? The cat replied. Okay. Then what the mouse said here? I will not come out of my hole. You cannot eat me, says the mouse. The cat toes away sadly. Okay, so here what happened? The mouse said to cat, rotis do not talk. You must be the cat. Go away. रोटियां बात नहीं करती. तुम कैट हो और यहाँ से चली जाओ. I will not come out of my hole. मैं मेरे होल से, मैं मेरे घर से बाहर आने वाला नहीं हूँ. You cannot eat me. तुम मुझे खा नहीं सकते, says the mouse. The cat toes away sadly. The cat toes away. That means she walk away sadly. वहां से चली गई सैड होके कि देखो छुआ कितना स्मार्ट है, नहीं फंसा मेरे ट्रिक पे. ओके. Okay. I hope everyone clear with this story. Is there any doubt in the story? I will explain the meanings also. Okay. Okay. Very nice story now. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Fine. Let's see the. Now we will see the new words of the story. Okay. So here you can see mouse hole. So here it is a mouse hole. Here it is a mouse hole. Okay, students? Okay, the mouse is peeping out of its hole. It's a mouse hole. The house of a mouse, a place where the mouse is staying. Here you can see a hiding cat. The cat hides near the wall. I know it is not wall, but you'll come to know now how she's hiding and waiting for the mouse to come out of its hole. यहाँ पे वो छिप गई है and now she's waiting to mouse to come out of its hole. She's waiting for what? She's waiting for a mouse to come out of its hole so that she can eat. Why she's going to eat that mouse? Because she was hungry. Next, you can see tricks. Okay, here who was playing the tricks? The cat was playing the tricks. Who was playing the tricks? The cat was playing the tricks. Okay, she was playing the tricks to make the mouse come out of its hole. And what trick she play here? She put the roti in front of the mouse hole. That was the trick of a cat. That was a trick of a cat. Okay, so that the mouse will come out to eat the roti or take the roti. And as the mouse is coming out of its hole, she's going to eat the mouse. You know what, that mouse hole is so small. Mouse का जो hole होता है ना वो बहुत ही छोटा है. So cat cannot enter in that. Okay, cat उसके अंदर जा नहीं सकती. वो छोटा सा hole रहता है. Mouse का size जितना रहता है उतना ही वो hole रहता है ना. So how she can enter? She is not able to enter in that small house, small hole. Okay, so she want mouse to come out. Okay, so she wants that mouse to come out to take that roti. But our mouse is a clever mouse. Okay, then we can see the next. It is what? Hungry. You can see this boy is putting hand over his stomach, and he was thinking for food. Many times this happened with you. You know, whenever we are in the school, जब हम लोग स्कूल में होते हैं, और स्कूल में तो हम लोग हर टाइम खा नहीं सकते ना, वहां पे तो ब्रेक में ही खा सकते हैं. सो दैट टाइम इफ अगर ब्रेकफास्ट कम किया है या कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है, ब्रेकफास्ट मम्मी ने दिया ही नहीं है, ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है कभी कभी, और तभी हमें बहुत भूख लगती है कि नहीं. दैट टाइम वी आर फीलिंग वेरी हंग्री एंड वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट food. We start thinking about what? Food. So here you can see, whenever we are hungry, what happened? We put our hands on our stomach and we start thinking for food because we want to eat something. Yes, this is hungry. Now we will see the meanings. Clever, able to learn and understand quickly. Clever means what? Able to learn and understand quickly. Hungry, to feel like eating. I told you, hungry means what? To feel like eating. Now, third one is mouse hole. Okay, mouse hole means what? Where the mouse lives. It's a mouse house, you can say. Then tasty, taste good. Tasty means what? Taste good. Hides, does not let anyone see them. Okay, you know, you are playing the game of hide and seek. Hide and seek, in that play, while that playing, while you are playing that game, what you are doing? Someone is hiding and someone is searching, and someone is going to hide so that no one is going to see them. ऐसे छुपते हो कि आपको कोई देख भी ना पाए. Yes or no? So to hide. To hide means what? To hide means छिप जाना. Does not let anyone see them. कोई हमें देख नहीं सके. ऐसे हम लोग जब छिप जाते, जब अपने आप को कवर करते, that's called hides. Okay? Then trick. An act to fool somebody. Trick means what? An act to fool somebody. Here, who want to fool someone? Here, cat want to fool the mouse. In this lesson, who want to make fool someone? The cat. यहाँ पे cat mouse को fool बनाना चाहती है. Yes, but mouse तो fool नहीं बन सकता. Why? Because our mouse is a clever mouse. Okay, students. Okay, so I hope everyone understood the new words also from this lesson. Is there any doubt? Let me know. Very good.